Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Mr. Muslikan and Miss Lecturer of Physical Education, Health and Recreation Department. Respectable, my friend one we love in the beautiful occasion. We are from Group 1. My name is Muhammad Naufal Mafi Sudarmoko, as moderator.
My name is Fariza Bitanugroho, presenter 1.
My name is Jessica as presenter 2.
My name is Valian Priya Anjun Febriano as presenter 3.
My name is Siti Zulaika, presenter 4.
My name is Ahmad Suranugraha as a presenter 5.
We are going to present an article review entitled Pratiking Surya Namaskar, a sequence of yogi posture for overall health and wellness among healthy athletes. Briefly, Surya Namaskar is a sequence of yoga movement performed in an orderly manner, combining physical movement, breathing techniques, and concentration, which are beneficial for physical fitness and mental health. Through this presentation, we hope that the discussion will provide a clear understanding of the benefit of Surya Namaskar based on the research that the band review. To all presenter, the team and place are yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, now I would like to explain you about the title Outdoors, Outdoors Institution and publisher of the article. The article was written by Nita Bodyo Panyai, Tuhindas, and Sufra Modal from the University of Kalyani. This article was published by in the journal Physical Education, Theory and Meteorology. Dah.
Hello guys, are you okay? Well, now I'm going to explain you about volume and date of publication, purpose, and method of the study. This article was published on March 13, 2025, volume 25. The study entitled Practicing Surya Namaskar, a sequence of yogic postures for overall health and wellness among healthy adults. At this study focused on how Surya Namaskar exercise affect physiological, and physiological aspect. Therapy illustrating the overall benefit of this practice for general health. In this study, the research asking the systematic review method without meta-analysis. The authors search various databases using the Prisma 2020 guidelines, then assess the quality of the studies using the quality assessment tool for quantitative studies. Thus, this study systematically review and analyzes the result of previous studies. Well, that's such information about volume and date of publication and purpose of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 3. For Valian Anjun Febriano, time is yours.
Well, happy brother and sister, are you still with me? Now I'm going to explain you about the population, sample, and technique of collecting and analyzing the data for 145 healthy adults. This study's population and sample is ke 18 to 1665 years from three countries, namely India, Indonesia, and Thailand. The data were collected and analyzed by using literature search in 5 major databases, namely Scopus, PubMed, PubMed Central, Web of Session, and Session Direct. All articles found were entered into Utro software to remove duplicates. Then selected the review of title, abstract, and full text based on predetermined inclusion and exclusion criteria. After the data was collected, qualitative analysis was performed using the systematic review method. The researchers assessed the quality of each study using the quality assessment tool for quantitative studies, which cover aspects such as selection bias, study design, confounders, blending, and dropout. The study results were then grouped into 3 main domains: physical fitness, physiological health, and physiological health to compare the finding and see the consistency of the effect and Surya Namaskar on adult health. Well, that's short information about the population and sample and technique of collecting and analysis the data of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter for Siti Yulaika. Times is yours.
Well, happy brother and sister. Is everything okay? Now I am going to explain you about the reasons and findings of the study. The results and findings of the study show that of the 117 articles, only 11 students met the criteria and were analysis involving 445 health adults. I general Surya Namasakar was proven to provide informatives. This their mind explains. In the of physical fitness, there was an increase in flexibility, strength, and coordination. In terms of physiological health, this exercise improved long chaptai. But to make blood pressure, heart rate, body composition, and health and sleep quality. In terms of physiological health, Surya Namaskar reduce stress and depression and improved overall well-being. Overall, this exercise has been proven to be beneficial of adult health. Well, this spot information about the result and fitting of the study. The next information will be presentation by presenter 5. For Surya, time is for you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to explain you about the conclusion. Surya Namaskar is an effective exercise for improving the health and fitness of adults. This exercise has been proven to provide benefit in physical, physiological, and psychological aspects, such as increasing flexibility, lung capacity, VO2 max, sleep quality, and reducing stress and depression. In addition to being easy to do and not requiring much space, Surya Namaskar is also suitable for modern lifestyle that tend to be sedentary. Overall, this exercise can be practical choice for maintaining overall health and well-being. Well, that's a short information of conclusion. For moderator Noval Maafi, time is yours.
Well, thank you to the presenter for delivering the material very well. Hopefully, the presentation has enhanced your knowledge and understanding of the topic discussion. That concludes your presentation today regarding the article review entitled Practicing Surya Namaskar, a sequence of yogic posture for overall health and wellness among healthy adults. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.